Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your HONOR Magic8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more. And let's say it's a bad example, but a SIM tray, so SIM tray opener. This is a very bad example, and you shouldn't be using anything that has some of the metal like this. So make sure to use something like a soft brush to clean that out. Now, if you guys want to test your mic, then you need to go over to the voice recorder app. So go to the spotlight and type in recorder. Now here you have the app, and you can start recording right here. As you guys can see, those lines are moving, so whenever I stop talking, they should go in the straight way instead of having like a wavelength here. And that basically means the space right here between me talking, that means our microphone is working and it's catching everything. So as you guys can see, we can also transcribe our text, and now it definitely works because we see whatever we're talking about. So let's stop it, and what you guys want to do next is, if your microphone is still not working, then you can restart your phone to refresh the system. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is simply update your software. So go over to settings, and in those settings you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see system and updates. Now go to software update, and it will check for updates automatically. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. Let's click check for updates again to make sure. And my software is up to date, so I do not have to worry about this. But if you have an option to update your software, then make sure to do that. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.